Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to first derivative of s to the power of 3. You got about 3s squared. First derivative of 5s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of number 8, you got about 0. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. This one you got about 6s. 6s squared minus number 5 and minus 10 or 20s. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of u to the power of 3, you got about u to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.